Hi, if you missed the first part of this tutorial, link is in the description. I'll continue with adding a background. I'll click on this option to create a new layer. For the width I'm going to type 2200 pixels and for the height 1400 pixels. Then I'll click OK. Then I'll go to the image menu and select Fit Canvas to Layers. Next I want to send this background layer behind the layer with the image. I'm going to use this option. After that, go to the blend tool, select the gradient, and I'm going to select the last one, yellow orange. And I'll click around here, drag like this and release. When this is done, I'm going to click on this layer to make it active, and with the move tool I can position the image. Then I'm going to click on this option again to create a new layer. Just click OK. Zoom in. Then with the free select tool, I'll make a selection. I'll go to Edit, Fill with Foreground Color. Then select None. Then use this option to send this layer behind the image with the guy. Next I'll grab the Scale tool, click on the chain to keep the aspect ratio, and I'm going to add 120 pixels. Enter key, then Scale. Now with the Move tool we can position this. Next I want to adjust the color of this frame. I'm going to click on the foreground color and change it to dark gray color. Click OK. Then I'll click on the background color and change it to brighter gray color. Then again I'll click OK. Go to the blend tool and select this foreground to background gradient. Then right click on the layer, alpha to selection. Then I'll click and drag like this, release, and then Ctrl Shift A to deselect. Next I'm going to create another layer using this option again. Click OK. Grab the free select tool. I'm going to zoom in close here, and I'll click on this pixel. Then I'll zoom out to see better, and I'm going to choose my angle, something like this. Then I'm going to hold down the Control key to get a straight line. Click around here, then zoom in again and click on this last pixel. Zoom out and close the selection. Then Control comma to fill the foreground color. Before that, let's reset these foreground and background colors. You can also go to the edit menu and use this option, or the keyboard shortcut Control comma. Then Control Shift A to deselect, and we have our frame. Let's change the color of this piece. I don't want it to be completely black. I'll go to this layer, right click, alpha to selection, click on the foreground color and adjust it a little bit. Click OK, then Control comma, Control Shift A to deselect. And next I want to add a shadow. I'll select the top layer, duplicate it with this option, then right click, alpha to selection. I'll reset these colors, then Control comma to fill with the black color, Control Shift A to deselect. Then I'll send this layer down above the background layer using this option. Then I'm going to grab the Scale tool, click and add 100 pixels. Enter key, Scale. Go to Layer, Layer to Image Size, then Filters, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Type 100 pixels, enter key, then OK. When this is finished, I'm going to adjust the opacity to 65, grab the move tool, and I'm going to position this around here. I want to add one more effect. I'll create a new layer, and I'm going to send this layer to the top, and with the free select tool I'm going to make a selection, zoom in close, click, and click over here. Then close the selection. Go to the edit menu, stroke selection. I'll use the defaults of 6 pixels. Click stroke, and I'll go to filters, show Gaussian blur, and here I'll type 5 pixels. Click OK. Then Ctrl I to invert the selection. Then the delete key. Ctrl Shift A to deselect. Let's zoom out, and I want to adjust the opacity to 65 and see how this looks. Next, with the eraser tool, I can make the brush a little bit bigger and start erasing around here. Also, I want to erase the effect from this side of the photo. In the corners, I'll need a smaller brush. You can use the bracket keys to resize the brush. Zoom in. And I'm ready. This is the effect that I wanted to show you how to do in GIMP 2.8. I'll post this on my Google Plus page if you want to check it out. And that's all for this tutorial. I hope that it was useful. If you like it, subscribe, leave a comment, visit my channel, and that's it for now. Bye.